Benefits: aloe vera gel and honey for natural male enhancement. The natural aloe vera gel can be used as a form of natural male enhancement. It's contained in various supplements because of the nutrients found in the gel and the soothing effect that it has. Apart from being used in topical remedies, aloe vera can be consumed in the form of a juice or a supplement. The nutrients and the microelements that it contains improve overall health and can have a positive impact on the male reproductive system. Suffering from low libido or reduced stamina during sex? Well, the bees can help you with this. Honey extracted from aphrodisiac flowers like jasmine and orchid can increase the potency in a man. The wonderful sweetness of honey in bed also takes its place in guides like the Kama Sutra. Even the word honeymoon came up from an ancient practice of love when couples would go into seclusion, and take the magical honey drink, and it was believed it would increase their sexual desire and prowess. And we guess the ancients were right. The honey base is full of a mineral called boron, which is known to boost testosterone while metabolizing estrogen. Clinical studies. Studies suggests that a mix of aloe vera gel and honey is an excellent possibility for improving circulation in the reproductive organs. This simple mixture can be used to stimulate the erectile response and to achieve bigger erections. Aloe vera and honey recipe. Honey is another ingredient I swear by. But for this variation, you need to be of age. If you aren't, parental discretion is advised. Wink, wink. What you need: 1 cup aloe vera gel, 1 cup honey. What you need to do: follow the same steps as the earlier method to scoop out authentic aloe vera. Add them in a blender along with honey and blend for 2 to 3 minutes on a low setting. Mix well and pour it into a glass jar. Store it in a cool and dry place. Have a spoon of this mixture about 2 to 3 times in a day, preferably 2 hours before you eat anything. Repeat this process daily for 10 days. Stop and resume after 10 days. Tips and warnings. Aloe vera juice should be taken twice a day to reap most of the health benefits it offers. Make sure you don't take out more than 4 tablespoons of aloe gel at once. It will serve you for a day. Refrigeration is a must. If you want, you can make a glass for later use, the same day only, and save it in the fridge. Removal and blending of the aloe vera juice should be done as quickly as possible, as the gel is known to oxidize fast. Oxidation process will break down the aloe vera gel, and it might lead to losing of a certain number of nutrients. It is super important to remove the latex of this plant, as its ingestion can cause diarrhea and severe stomach discomfort. As you just saw, how to make aloe vera juice is a simple process. But it will most definitely ensure that you are away from all the possible additives and chemicals, providing health in the best way.
Effects of onion on it. What you did not know. The powerful effect of the onion on the limb of men and the number of benefits provided by the onion to maintain a good state of health. The onion contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, also contains potassium, silice, fiber, iron, sulfur, phosphorus, calcium, lysine, leucine, arginine, folic acid, and glutamic acid. The onion prevents thrombosis and aging of the arteries and veins, thanks to its silica content. Onion also reduces cholesterol and increases the ability of blood to dissolve internal clots, thus preventing coronary thrombosis. Onion has antianemic properties thanks to iron, phosphorus and vitamin E, which helps the generation of red blood cells and replenish the loss of blood of our body. The onion has expectorant action, as well as bactericide and fungicide. It is very useful in processes such as colds, bronchitis, pharyngitis, and other respiratory conditions. These benefits are only given when raw onions are consumed. The use of onion as a stimulant in intimacy is not current, In ancient Rome the onion was consumed to increase libido. When it reached the Middle Age it was banned in many religious houses because of its properties to improve life intimate of couples. The onion improves circulation in the limb area and fills you with energy. To obtain these properties, chop a medium-sized onion and add fresh honey and mix. Take 3 tablespoons of this mixture every morning and 3 in the afternoon. The onion is a very effective stimulant that constitutes a good remedy that helps to recover and stimulate the intimate desire. This is because it improves the sanguine irrigation in the member, giving a better firmness. The onion gives men strength in their limbs and helps them combat premature ejaculation naturally, so you can last longer in bed with your partner. The potasio that contains the foods, like in this case the onion, helps to increase the intimate desire, since the potasio plays a fundamental role in the hormones related to the sexuality. Simply put, the onion increases libido. The onion contains large amounts of quercetin. This substance has the particularity of favoring the blood circulation of the body, especially in the limb of men. Now I'm going to show you 2 more ways to consume onions to get good benefits in bed and in our health. Number 1. Cut into thin quarters a quarter of onion, add the juice of 2 lemons and a spoonful of olive oil, then eat it all. Number 2. Bring to boil for 5 minutes 2 chopped onions and 2 cloves of garlic in a liter of water, then remove from the casserole and let stand for 10 minutes, then strain and sweeten to your taste with honey. Take a glass in the morning and another in the afternoon. The onion also possesses many healthy virtues, combats acne, anemia, angina, asthma, cellulite, depression, slow and heavy digestions, eczema, constipation, flatulence, gastritis, gout, hemorrhoids, herpes, hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, insomnia, obesity, is antibiotic, is anti-cancer, is antioxidant, is antiseptic, and depurative. The onion practically serves everything. We can find it in any big or small market throughout the year and its price is very accessible, so there are no excuses to consume onion.
Ginger helps to heal physiological weakness in men. Ginger erection and sexual health benefits. Ginger facts and history. Ginger root is the rhizome from the plant Zingiber officinale. Ginger is a perennial plant that can be found in many countries around the world, including China, India, Southeast Asia, Mexico, West Africa, and the Caribbean. Although it's been used for over 5,000 years as a healing herb in Chinese and Indian medicine, it's also one of the most popular cooking spices in the world. The herb of passion. Known as the herb of passion, it was mentioned in the Kama Sutra, and Cleopatra was also reported to be a fan. Ginger is known as a warming herb, contains gingerol, a chemical that is related capsaicin, which is found in peppers. The heat generated in the body after taking the herbs is similar to the body heat produced during sexual arousal, and this warming of the body increases sexual stimulation in the brain, which is reflected in a high state of sexual arousal. Increase blood flow to the penis. Ginger helps to increase the flow of blood around the body and to the genitals, and the herb has the same vacillating properties as ginkgo biloba and green tea, to dilate the blood vessels so they're wider and able to carry more blood. Ginger inhibits the buildup of cortisol, which can cause weak erections or erectile dysfunction, and works to maintain healthy blood pressure, and reduces cholesterol, which, if both are high, can reduce the flow of blood into the penis. Finally, the herb acts as an overall heart and circulatory and immune system tonic. Dosage. There is no recommended daily intake of ginger, but 4 g of ginger per day through foods or supplementation is seen as a good amount to take. Side effects. There are no reported dangerous side effects from taking ginger, although, if taken to excess, ginger can cause heartburn, bloating, or an upset stomach. There is evidence that it can react negatively with some medications, and can interact with blood-thinning medicines, but overall it's a herb which is safe and has numerous health-giving properties. In conclusion, Ginger not only has the ability to help men cure erectile dysfunction and get harder erections, the herb also acts as a general body tonic, preventing numerous health problems and helping to cure and relieve the symptoms of many illnesses. It's a tasty herb and a great addition to anyone's diet for general and sexual health. If you don't like the taste, simply take it as a daily supplement and you can find it in all the best herbal erection pills for men.